Welcome to this CLiCC tutorial. In this video, I'll introduce you to CLiCC's risk assessment project. It delivers a highly customizable report on how chemical use might affect a population and an ecosystem. You can calculate the risk for a single chemical or for an entire chemical product formulation. You can even compare the risks in specific locations. While creating a risk assessment project, you can fully customize which of the modules suit your interest. First, choose your end goal. If you're just interested in how a chemical travels in the environment over time, one of these options might be best. If you're looking for health risk for humans or ecology, consider these. For this example, we'll choose the last option, which is a comprehensive analysis. We're then asked to be specific about which relevant calculations we'd like CLiCC to take care of. For example, if we already know how the chemical was released and how it spread, we can uncheck these two boxes, and CLiCC will ask us to input our data instead of asking us to describe the scenario and calculating the release for us. For this example, let's look at indoor use of paint stripping chemicals. We'll select the indoor module and leave the dermal option unchecked, since paint stripper is not applied to the skin in our scenario. Since I'm just looking broadly at two chemicals in paint stripper and not thinking about a specific product in its entirety, I'll leave the formulation option unchecked. Let's create our risk assessment project. Jump right in with step 1, select environmental parameters. Region selection is up first. These default regions contain information about a region's environment and their historical climatic conditions. Next, we'll choose a preset indoor environment and adjust it to reflect our specific scenario. On to step 2. Now we can add the chemicals we're interested in. You can easily add chemicals to projects. See the info card in the top right corner of the video screen for details. Now, we've added all the chemicals we want, and we can review the input data for each chemical, then put CLiCC to work. I'll check the information CLiCC suggests for each input screen, customizing it to fit our specific scenario. We'll go on to review chemical properties, human and ecological toxicity values, then we'll define how the chemical is used, and even have the chance to get specific about custom chemical release scenarios and background concentrations. Once you're done with the chemical's input, you can click Run to finalize that row. Anytime CLiCC is running calculations or generating graphs, CLiCC will email you when it's completed. You can always refresh the page to check the completion status. You'll then see the human, ecological, and transport results for each chemical, seeing the results across all of your selected regions. Step 3 then takes those chemical results and organizes them by region, so you can see all chemicals at once for each region. Step 4 is an optional bonus, an uncertainty analysis. Our results are only as good as the data we input. The uncertainty analysis runs the project we've just set up multiple times, each time varying our input parameters within the range of their uncertainty. These results give you a much more nuanced understanding of the possible risks. For a step-by-step introduction to a risk assessment, check out the PDF tutorial on the tutorial page, or you can also find it linked in this video's description. If you'd like to learn more about other projects, check out these tutorials from CLiCC.